What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Midwest Launch Mob. My name's Matt and you guys are the mob. So last video, I'm still gonna try to upload every day for the rest of the month, but anyways, last video, which was yesterday, I went out on my lunch break at work. I had 45 minutes and I went out and I caught a fish. There's a little pond right around there. I caught a fish on a frog. I think 2 fish on a frog and 1 fish on a little paddle-tail swimbait. So the little ponds, the grass is coming to the top. They're warming up faster than anything else in my area. So I figured today, I mean, it's overcast right now. The sun kind of keeps popping through. It's a little windy, maybe too windy, but I'm at a little pond that is divided into like 2 pockets. Like one goes up like this and then one comes around there. So it's shaped like, I don't know, picture a boomerang or something, you know? So there's a lot of grass in here already. So I'm gonna go out with literally just my frog for, I don't know, until I run out of battery juice, because I only brought 2 of them with me. And we're gonna see if we can catch some fish on strictly the frog. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of grass in here. So it'd be kind of hard to throw anything but the frog. But it's going to be fun. Hopefully they're biting. Hopefully they're biting. I mean, it seems like a storm's rolling on in. It's windy. It might be too windy, so that's why I came here, because the one pocket in this pond is pretty much guarded from the wind for the most part. So, I don't know. Let's get rigged up. I'm blabbing my ass off right now. Let's get rigged up. Let's go catch some fish on the goddamn frog. Alright, well, here's our weapon of choice. I'm throwing a 7.6. This is actually a medium heavy, but it's the Veritas Frog series. It's good enough to throw a frog. Been catching them on it. And yeah, this is the puddle we're fishing. So it goes over there. It's kind of open over here, and then it goes off to the right, and it looks just like this. But look at all this grass. I mean, what else would you want to throw in this right now? So I'm just throwing a little black popping frog. I've had this thing tied on for like 3 days now. And we're gonna see if we can find some fish. I feel like these fish are gonna be up shallow. You can see how the grass is like in the middle, and there's a clear opening all the way around it. So I'm gonna focus on that clear water, that open spot, the open stuff. Because probably, look at, there's some fish right there. There's probably some fish sitting in there, maybe trying to make beds or whatever. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, he came off. He was a little guy. Okay, well, they're eating a frog. They're eating the frog, boys. And boy. Yeah, it is definitely gonna rain. You can smell it in the air. This might be short-lived, I don't know. So we better start moving. Oh, there's another one right there. Damn. They are up shallow, boy. He's not gonna eat the frog, no way. Nope. Maybe if he didn't see me. That's like a 1-pounder, probably male right there. They're over here, dude. And I hope we can get him to bite the frog. Spook them damn sons of bitches. I hate these freaking things. Your line gets stuck in the pods all crazy. Is my line good? Yeah, my line's good. Alright, back to the bite fest. Come and get it, boys. Coming for your nest. I see him. I see him. Oh, he's eyeing it. Oh, here he comes. Nope. Oh man, I gotta just stop it here. So I'm editing this and I almost don't even want to post it because there's literally no action in this. I went to that pond, thought I'd be able to get on a good frog bite. It was overcast, there was a little bit of wind, and the wind just kept picking up. The storm was rolling in, and then I started seeing fish on beds. I didn't explain it good in the video. This video it's a whack video. If you guys don't, if you're not even seeing this, I don't blame you. But I promised myself I'm going to upload a video every day for the rest of the month. So I'm doing it regardless if it's good content, bad content. Like, that's fishing sometimes. You go out and you don't catch them. So this is just one of those times. But I was throwing the frog around, being stubborn with the frog. I was so confident I'd be able to catch them. Even just like one or two. Not like I'd go smash like a giant bag on a frog. But I had been catching them a couple days previous, so I figured I'd be able to get a bite on camera and all that. And it just didn't work out. And then I noticed they were all on beds. And that's a pond that's only probably at max maybe 5 feet. So it's warming up pretty fast compared to a lot of the other stuff. And all these males were pushed up on beds. They were fanning beds. You could see just these circle areas. It's a mud bottom, and all of a sudden you'd see spots with all these little stones and like pebbles and stuff. And that's where they're fanning that mud away and making their bed. So I was like, oh, maybe we'll get crazy and flip a swim bait in there, the Matt Lures bluegill, because when they're spawning, they hate bluegills, at least around here. And that wasn't working, and it just didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. But I want to start being consistent, and so I mean, this video's got to go up. I don't know what to say. It's got to go up. But anyways, I'm about to finish it. I'm finishing this video. I'm getting ready. I'm going back out. You can see it's another overcast, breezy, rainy kind of day. It's not raining, but it looks like it. So I'm going to try my best again. So thank you guys for watching. I apologize this was such a shit video. But hey, sometimes that's how fishing is, man. You don't catch them every time. Sometimes you go out and blank. Sometimes you go out and it's a dink fest. That's just the name of the game. So this is it. This is real. This is majority of my fishing. No, I mean, sometimes I get on them, sometimes I don't. I'm sure it's the same with you. But anyways, if you made it this far, I want you guys to do me a favor. Let me know in the comments, what do you want to see from me? Do you want to see the big swim bait stuff? Do you want to see just your regular conventional stuff? A mix of the both, like challenges? You want like vlog style videos? Let me know, because I have a bunch of ideas, but I don't know what to like actually pursue doing. And so I don't know. Let me know. This channel is still so small and so young and so whack that we can do absolutely anything we want right now. And it's not going to affect anything. So let me know if you have any awesome ideas. Maybe if you guys throw big swim baits and have any suggestions on something that you think might work in my area. I fish a lot of ponds and stuff like that. Let me know down below. But other than that, thanks for watching. And don't forget, join the mob, baby. Peace.